people, I'm Courtney. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Join the fam, click that subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. Say hi in the comments down below. I'd love to know what you guys are up to this week. I got a lot of work to do because my family is coming in next week, so I'm trying to crank out some videos. I hope you guys have been loving the 4 uploads a week. Today I am back with a famous slime shop unboxing. It's been a while since I've done a famous slime shop, so today I'm doing these super duper really requested Snoop slimes. So I bought some slimes from Snoop Slimes and I secret shopped. If you don't know what secret shopping is, it's basically you just kind of go undercover, order some slimes, and they have no idea like you're filming it for a video, so you get like a package just like any of you would if you were ordering. So I am so excited to do this unboxing for you guys today. Please let me know what famous slime shop you would like to see next in the comments down below, and let's go ahead and get started with this video.
Right, so I ordered 3 6-ounce slimes. Now each slime did vary slightly in price depending on the type, but my order total was a little over $45, so I just divided that by 3, so each slime was worth about $15 with shipping included. So I have 3 slimes, and it also came with some extras. I got some Sour Patch Kids, which are my absolute favorite candy ever, and then some borax and some instructions as well. So I would say the slimes are slightly on the higher end, but that's to be expected with like a famous slime shop, so I think the price is pretty normal. So let's get started with this first slime called Dots. Look how clear this is. It is beautiful. It has like mini pom-poms and tons of little confetti and some little like pieces shaped like dots in it. So I was so excited to try out like a clear base slime from Snoop Slimes because that's literally like what they're known for. So I was so excited to try this out. So I love all the different add-ins. At first, taking it out of the container, I thought it was going to be like a little bit rippy because that's what it seemed like, but it was actually a really good consistency. I actually had to add just a tad bit of activator to it because it was leaving some like slime pieces on my hands at first, but it was like a nice thick putty texture but still super stretchy. So I absolutely loved the consistency of this one, and it was so much fun. I loved all the different add-ins in it. It was really colorful and fun. There was like a 75-cent difference between all the slimes, and this one was actually the most expensive, which I was kind of surprised. It was more expensive than like the cloud slime I ordered, but overall I really loved this slime a lot. This next slime is called Sugar Cookie Fluff, and it is a cloud slime, and oh my gosh, this was hands down my favorite slime. Not only was it so beautiful, it was scented just like the name. It smelled like cookie dough, and this was probably one of the best cloud slime textures I've ever purchased from a shop. It did have a tad bit of a wet consistency to it, but that's kind of expected with cloud slimes. Usually they kind of get like that, but it didn't leave like a weird residue on my hand. But the actual drizzle effect was amazing on this. This was so perfect. It like didn't like leave any residue or anything. I was just so impressed with this. This was amazing. I know how tricky cloud slimes could be, and this one was just so awesome. And I think the price for this was really well priced. Like the slime itself, not including shipping, was $12.50. So that is really good. Normally cloud slimes are definitely a lot more expensive, so I loved this one. Like, I cannot say enough good things about it. Go get you some Snoop Slimes cloud slime because it was incredible. I will definitely be buying some more cloud slimes from them. Now this last slime I got was called Mango Tango, and this is a micro foam, and it's actually a full foam, which means like the majority of it is a foam consistency. Like mostly foams are like a semi-foam, but this had a ton of foam beads. It could have actually used a tad bit more slime to make it like hold together a little bit, because as I stretched it, sometimes it would break apart because it just didn't have enough slime for the micro beads, but the smell was delicious. It smelled like mango, but it was like a really fruity mango. I loved it. The color was beautiful. The texture was awesome. And I just loved that it was a full foam, because a lot of times, a lot of shops don't offer full foams like this. So I really loved it. As you could see, it did rip a little bit, but it was so crunchy, and I just really enjoyed this one. It was something different that I normally don't get or is even offered. So I really liked this one as well. Overall, oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with Snoop Slimes. I'll definitely be doing more reviews, because this has probably been like my favorite famous slime shop unboxing yet. Their slimes were all so amazing, and I love them so much.
Those are the slimes I got, and I'm super curious if you've ever ordered from Snoop Slimes. I would love to know your experience and what you thought about them in the comments down below. And if you missed my past few videos, you could click on over to the side of me, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye!